there, guys. Welcome to day one. Let's get started. For today, for breakfast, we have cereal, all bran, and 2% milk. Stick with all bran, that's the way to go. Okay, guys, and then for lunch, we've got chicken, no skin, palm size, and one veg of your choice. I opted out for some cauliflower. Use cook and spray only. And for dinner, guys, we've got a cup of soup light, one slice of whole wheat bread, and a couple of slices of cheese. I went for some nice aged cheddar. Okay, guys, day two, that's going to be a no brainer. You will have a little bit of a migraine and a headache. You may not feel so nice or weak a little bit, even. It's because of the sugar detox and the coffee that you're not having plenty of. But just hanging there, it will pass, I promise. Severe cases, it will lead up to day three. Guys, please drink a lot of water. I can't stress this enough. At least 1 liter a day. I know some of you can't drink water, don't like water. You can have some sparkling water as well. But please, you have to drink plenty of water. Day two. Okay, guys, let's get started with day two's breakfast. We've got some steamed fruit. I do some apples. You can add some cinnamon if you want. You can use dried fruit as well, 90 to 250 grams, but most people eat around about 80 to 120 grams. That's all up to you. And then for lunch, guys, we've got some fish and some salad. Remember, the salad dressing that you use must be the light version. You can change out the salad for any mixed veg as well. That's all up to you. Then for dinner time for day two, we've got some tomato and onion relish, around about 175 mils, or you can just use a half a can. I went with two boiled eggs. You can make scrambled eggs, you can make an omelette, you can go wild with this one. Then the total calories for day two ended up to be 497. Well, guys, it's day three breakfast. We've got some smooth, low fat yogurt with one fruit. Okay, lunchtime, guys, we've got one medium to large potato with one veg. I changed out my veg for mushrooms just to give it that extra kick. Okay, guys, dinner time, three fruits of your choice. I went for some pineapple, apple, and some papaya. Guys, use one bowl to measure out all your dishes. That's so much easier. And then the calorie count for day three is 633 calories. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, guys, before we start day four, let's start with a nice black cup of coffee, no sugar. Day four, breakfast, we've got some cereal with some 2% milk. Guys, day four, lunchtime, we've got some pasta with some tomato and onion relish. Guys, remember if you make your own relish, just use some spray and cook. Guys, dinner time, day four, this is my personal favorite, 6 Provitas with one fruit and then some aged cheddar cheese. This one is definitely a yum yum. And then the total calories for day four is 1,088 calories. It's breakfast time, day five. We've got 175 millimeters of yogurt with one fruit. Day five, lunchtime, guys. We've got some fish with one veg. I went with some cauliflower. This should fit all in one bowl. Guys, you can have pilchards in brine or you can have some salmon. It's all up to you. Dinner time, day five, guys. Only one veg to fit your bowl. I went with some pumpkin and some cinnamon. And then the total calories came down for day five at 353 calories. Day six, guys, breakfast. We've got some steamed fruit, or you can have some dried fruit. Most people eat 80 to 100 grams, but you are allowed 90 to 250 grams. All up to you. Day six, lunchtime, guys. You got one medium to one large potato and one veg to fit your bowl. I went with mushrooms again this time, and four little small baby potatoes. Guys, day six, you got a cup of soup. I ran out of cup of soup, the light one, so I just used the normal one with the noodles inside. Then you got one whole wheat slice of bread with some Marmite spread onto it. And then the total calories for day six came down to 411. Guys, day 7 is cereal for the win. We've got some all brand flakes with 2% milk. Day 7, guys, lunchtime. We've got one palm sized chicken, no skin, with one veg. Okay, guys, day 7 dinner. We've got 2 eggs. You guys can make an omelette. You guys can make scrambled eggs once again. Then you've got one large tomato you can use. I used little baby tomatoes just to put some color into the meal. One whole wheat of slice of toast, and that's that. Day 7 completed. And the total calories came down for day 7 at 850 calories for the day.